So here we have Anup Amber. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to ride this motorcycle, the 2020 motorcycle. I just want to understand the story about this motorcycle and you.
Yeah, I'm currently studying third year BCom. That's my final year.
Okay.
So I joined one of the companies to work as a part-timer.
Okay.
And everything that I own, including the gas and the bike,
Yes.
is from my own money.
Yes.
So I've been studying as well as working from past 2 years.
Yep.
So I've been saving up for this bike and everything else which makes me ride properly.
Yes.
For the ride experience.
So this is what bikers really do. People who love their motorcycle and want to, stand on their own feet and earn everything for themselves, respect, pride. This is how they do it. And I'm really proud of you, bro. That's very nice. Okay, now let's also listen to the modified RTR. Go ahead. Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing the review of the 2020 RTR 200 with Showa suspension, riding modes, and explaining everything to you. The one in blue there, that's what I'll be riding. The other bike which I've seen already, the modified RTR, do check that video out as well. Thanks to Gunjan and Anup for being part of these videos. Enjoy this review. So I'll be riding the brand new 2020 Apache RTR 200 with the Showa suspension, which is adjustable. So what they have done, TVS, what they have done is they have provided a very good performance suspension which can be adjustable, as you see here. And this is Showa. So the thing is, Showa is something that comes in tune with race bikes or leader class bikes or 600 plus cc bikes to provide better handling, better feedback. So now getting that in a 200cc motorcycle is really crazy, to be honest. This is taking the competition to the next level from TVS. So next what I've done is, this bike certainly has slipper clutch. Since 2018 I believe it has slipper clutch for sure. Then they've given the adjustable levers, both the clutch as well as the brake, and the clutch is very, very light. Wow, that is very nice. So currently I'm riding the bike in sports mode, where it has highest power and least ABS intrusion. So basically this bike has 3 riding modes which you can change using that. Let's see, while riding can we change? Yes, while you're riding the bike you can change the mode of the motorcycle. And wait, let me switch off a little. So this is how it is. You have one button here called mode. I'm in urban. You can go to sport, or you can come to rain. So what happens here is, there are 2 riding modes actually, meaning 2 power modes but 3 braking modes, right? In rain you have highest braking and highest feedback, highest ABS intrusion. That's what I understand from the owner as well. Then comes the urban mode, which is a little lesser when it comes to braking, but whatever you need for the city, it has it. Sports mode is where the ABS intrusion reduces a lot more, so that you get that racing feeling and you get the full mechanical feeling of the motorcycle. So that's what they have done. That's what TVS has done. Next, what happens is, when you're in sports mode, you get 21 bhp, 20.8 or 21, whatever you want to call it. That's what you get. That's the highest power. But when you go into rain, or I guess when you go into urban, in both these modes you get 17 to 18 bhp, which is a little reduced, and the response of the throttle is also reduced that way. So let's find out how the bike really feels. I want to be in sports mode. I don't want to ride slow. The acceleration of the bike is very, very nice. The vibrations have reduced quite significantly on this motorcycle, and the turning radius, everything is very good. You get the split handlebars like always with RTR, and you're a little slanted forward. That's what I feel. If you want to sit upright, you can force it, but your hands will become like this straight. But if you want to be relaxed, you're a little bent towards the front, and this is comfortable. As you see there, the braking of the motorcycle is good. So the thing is, one thing you have to understand about the RTR 200 or the RTR 180 or the RTR series as a whole, their handling and braking is unbeatable. One of the best, and the experience or the feel or the confidence that you get from these motorcycles is very, very nice. See that? So the thing is, I could clearly see that in sports mode I had to totally control the brakes. See, the ABS feel is there, but not too much. Now let us see if that is true when I go into rain mode. I'll do the same and find out how the brakes work, right? See, the bike is very, very light, man. You don't have to worry about that at all. The power is slightly less. As you see here, in a down road, the power is less. And I certainly feel the ABS kicking in more. What you have to understand here is, when I was going uphill on the sports mode, I could do 100 very, very easily. And yeah, there is a top speed achieved that is coming in 104. Certainly I'll be doing a top speed test also here for you guys to find out how it really feels. So as you see there, in a downhill in rain mode, the bike was slow. So you can clearly see the difference between riding modes. This is what you get with the 2020 TVS RTR 200. This is very nice. And the exhaust sound is also very good, and the handling of the bike is always great. You should take this into corners to truly see what it can do. So this feels like a city mode with all the diversions and everything. As you see there, change of directions on this motorcycle is very nice. I mean, as you see there, the rain mode is slow. I really like this fact, man. The way you can change the engine power, the way it throws out power while riding the motorcycle is very nice. And change of directions here, beautiful. The confidence that you get on this motorcycle is on another level. You should buy actually RTR as your first bike to know everything about the motorcycle and understand handling, braking, everything, right? And you have seen the acceleration already. It is great, and I really like it. For a beginner motorcyclist or a beginner rider, this bike is not scary at all. Or maybe it is scary. I am used to my 390 engine, so I did not find it extremely scared or anything. But 8 years ago, when I was riding the RTR 180 and I opened the throttle, then I really felt like, wow, this is good. So that's what even beginner riders will feel. So once the traffic clears over there a little, I'll try to do a top speed test, and let me show you how this bike looks. This has got a center stand also. That is crazy. Yes, this is how the bike is, and it looks very nice in this matte blue color with all the accents. Very good. You have seen the exhaust note in the video already, the way Anup gave it. He's a beginner rider as well, so you could clearly see the way a beginner rider gives exhaust note is totally different from the one who is experienced. I'm in sports mode again. So as you see there, this time with better road and the wind being in my favor, I could do 123 kilometers per hour. See, the thing is, in my own Apache 180, I could push the bike till 125, 126, even 127. Definitely this bike can go faster. Back then I was 77 kgs, now I am 95 plus kgs. There's a big difference. So maybe when the owner rides it, he can ride it faster and make it much faster, go beyond 130. I have seen videos which do more than 130 for sure. Next, what I want to do is I want to make sure that Anup connects to the bike with his phone through Bluetooth and show different things that you can do with this particular motorcycle.
Connected to BUC Palace.
Now, okay. Hi, Anup Amber. Okay, nice. Amber. Okay. Okay, now you can see. So the thing is, now that the bike is connected via Bluetooth here, as you see the Bluetooth symbol, you can see that he has got 99 messages and the battery is almost full, which is beyond 80%. I guess it shows that way. What's the percentage now? 88%. So that's why it's showing that the battery is full. Now let us do one thing. I'll ask Gunjan to call him to show you that you can see that someone is calling. Gunjan. So as you see over there, Gunjan is calling. So in this way, when you connect your bike to your phone, you get to see all these different things. And if you see, it says one missed call, so you can receive the phone. Do you have any friends of yours who is using an Apple phone, and are they using it with TVS?
I'm not sure about
You're not sure about that? Okay, so even I'm not sure. I haven't downloaded the TVS app on my phone, iPhone 12, so I cannot show you that. But anyways, you can see that an Android can easily connect. You don't have to do OTP, nothing. Just click on the iSmart button once, go to your app, connect, and you are good to go. It's as simple as that. So all in all, I just want to talk about the bike a little. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Thank you so much. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ವಿಲಾಸ. ಸೋಂಪುರದವರೇನಾ ನೀವು? ಸೋಂಪುರದವರೇನಾ? Okay. Anyways, a curious kid who wants to buy a bike in the future. I just wanted to make sure he is happy as well. Well, anyways, in the end, what I want to tell you is the handling, the braking, the suspension certainly is extremely good. And you saw that in sports mode, for my weight, I did 123. And in rain mode, you could see that the power was reduced, but the ABS was better. I could show you that as well. So buy this bike. So if you buy this bike, play around with the motorcycle, understand the different riding modes instead of saying that it has riding modes, and make sure you understand the motorcycle completely. The ABS is great. The brakes are great, of course. Apaches are known for that. And the tires that you get is tubeless TVS tires, and they are comfortable as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this review, the acceleration test, the braking test, and the mileage is around what? 33 to 35. So it depends how you ride again. If you keep ripping it all the time like how I was doing, you'll get lesser mileage. If you ride it safely, properly, cleanly, you'll get better mileage. That's what the 200cc motorcycles are known for. And in the blue, it looks really great. So do check out the full review of this motorcycle here, and do check out the review of this modified RTR in the previous video. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks Anup. Thanks Gunjan. Have a great day. Bye-bye.